You're right about the sauce, eh?
The sauce is everything,
The sauce
sorry.
makes it work.
Okay, Derek.
Derek knows my happy faces. Janine is back because this is a new episode.
Oh, I'm here again. I forgot to change my clothes.
Me too.
Me too.
But you're back. And this one's my request. Jessica was saying that you're really great at making dessert. She mentioned Sticky Toffee Pudding is on your list.
Yep, it's definitely a fave.
Oh, so I love it, but I would never even think to try and make it. It just seems kind of scary looking. Now, you said it's not that hard.
You know what? I tried it for years, recipes, because my husband loves it, and I could not perfect it. So I was at a friend's house in Florida one year, and she made it, and I said, that's the winner.
That's it. That's the one. And you've been making it ever since?
Yep, that's probably 8 years.
And it's not scary.
No, very simple.
What is like the core?
The dates make it really moist, and the key ingredient is making the best butterscotch caramel sauce for the top.
That's right.
And you need lots. You can't just go like that.
No, it can't. Yeah, it
gotta
has to
be
have a
smothered.
substantial amount. What's it start
So
with?
first we're gonna do is we need a cup of cut dates, because you're gonna pour boiling water over it, and it's gotta cook in a pot.
3/4 cup of water, 1
Yep.
cup of dates.
Yeah, get that going. Just let that cook right down. It's gonna be like a puree almost. You take it off the stove and you put the baking soda in, and it foams up. And then in a bowl, I'm going to get dark brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of softened butter. Mix it till it's nice and creamy. Dark brown sugar I find has a little bit more flavor, but you can use either. I've done with either depending on what I have in the house, I'm gonna do 1 egg at a time in this. Teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna put all the dry stuff in one bowl. We're gonna do in a cup of flour, and a half teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder. So we mix this all together, and then we're gonna put the date mixture in, stir that around, and then it's ready to go in the muffin tins.
So you've done muffin style.
Yes.
Can you also do this in a tray?
You know what? I've never done it, really. I don't see why not.
Yeah.
I just like it for serving.
Yeah.
And they're gonna go in the oven for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna make the sauce now. 3/4 cup of butter and 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Put everything in at the same time. So 3/4 cup of whipping cream, pinch of salt. See, brown sugar and butter to me is like,
The best.
this is the wrong utensil. When you put it in the fridge in a jar,
Oh, yeah.
and then you just take it like a spoon. Teaspoon of vanilla.
Oh, those smell delicious.
I think it's easier if I just pop these out. Okay, don't take pictures of this. Put one on a plate and put an extremely generous amount. That's not enough.
I think you need 1 more spoon.
I think so.
And this caramel you made?
Butter,
Butter-based?
whipping cream, and brown sugar.
Oh, yeah, that's so good. It is perfect. It is so good. Well done. You can do this at a time,
Ahead
right?
time and freeze them. And then I don't do the sauce that day.
No, sauce has to be
And
fresh.
then I make the sauce then, and you just put them in a pan and warm them up. That's all.
Janine, you can come back anytime, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Anytime, okay? Selfishly. Well, thank you so much for teaching us
Oh, you're welcome.
and sharing with us. And now we have video recording of how we can make it. So we have no reason why we can't.
There you go.
This is great. So I highly recommend Janine's Sticky Toffee.
Yes, me too.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Janine.
Thank you, guys.